this is how to buy Pi coin on Bitget. In this video, I will walk you through how you can easily buy Pi token on Bitget exchange. You can see this is my Bitget exchange app. Before you can buy any crypto on any exchange, you have to deposit. You click deposit. So you have so many options. You can deposit USDT. You can watch this video. You learn how to deposit USDT on Bitget from any wallet. You can buy USDT or any currency using your debit or credit card. You can do P2P transfer. You can transfer from your bank account. You can do third-party payment transfer. Any of these methods will help you get deposit on this platform. Don't forget to take advantage of Bitget rewards. All you need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. You stand to earn these rewards in deposit. All you need to do is to sign up and use my referral code. I will assume that you now have money on your Bitget exchange account. You can see that I have some money here. The next thing you need to do is to convert the crypto that you've just deposited to Pi token. To convert or to swap any crypto to Pi token, you come to this place. You click here. You tap this place. You tap this place. You come down. You can move all this up. When you get to this place, you look for convert. Look at this. This is convert. You tap convert. For me, I have USDT already in my Bitget account. You are converting from the token you have to Pi. So here you pick Pi token. You tap this arrow. You search for Pi. Here you type Pi token. You can see Pi here. You pick Pi. The minimum I can buy is 2.1 Pi. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be converting 3 USDT to Pi. I'll type 3 here. As at the time of this video, 3 USDT will give me 2.75 Pi token. So if I'm okay, I will just click convert. If you are okay with this, you will tap convert. You can see you have to click confirm. For you to know and see your asset, you come to asset. You click assets. You can see I now have 2.76 Pi token and my USDT has reduced. So this is how you buy Pi token on Bitget. It's so easy and very fast. But I hope you know that you can mine Pi every day. Instead of using your money to buy Pi, you can collect it for free. All you just need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. You get instant Pi bonus when you do that. You just need to open your Pi every day and click this place to mine. And you use your link to invite your friends and family members. As you invite more people, your mine rate will increase. Thank you. So you now have Pi on your Bitget exchange account. Thank you.